Hi everyone, Eileen Veilleux The Fam here. Welcome to another YouTube tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to be covering how the YouTube algorithm works. So let's get started. As you can see, the YouTube algorithm will affect 6 different places your video can surface on YouTube. The first one is here in the search bar. Second one is in the recommended section. The third one is on the YouTube homepage. The fourth one is in trending streams. The fifth one is in channel subscriptions, and the sixth one is in the notifications. And okay, and here you can see this is where it shows my subscribe watch time, and it shows the subscriber bell notifications. This here will let you know who has the bell rung and who hasn't, and what part, if it's all fully rung, partial rung, or not rung. It will give you that information. Okay, the algorithm or AI views perceived satisfaction to create an addictive personalized stream of recommendations. So it goes by what the person watches for you to get recommended. If a lot of people watch that, then it's going to be highly recommended. Okay, excuse me, the algorithm or AI ranks each search result based on 2 primary major factors. One is how well the video's metadata, the title, description, and keywords fits the user's queries. That's why it is so important to have TubeBuddy. If you cannot afford TubeBuddy, I recommend you using a combination of TubeBuddy and vidIQ, because with each of them, I believe you get, for the free version, like 3 free keywords. So that will give you at least 6 where you can put them in there into a sentence. But the paid version of TubeBuddy, if you look at my TubeBuddy tutorial I did, the paid version is not that much. It's only $10, and it's well worth the money. So I would go with that route. It also shows how much your video has engaged users already, likes, comments, and watch time. So I'm going to show you what they're talking about with that. Okay, this is like the reach to viewers. It shows your traffic source. As you can see, I get mine from the channel pages, playlist. This is how many people get notified. The browse feature, and other unknown. Okay, now what I want to show you besides that is over here for the next time. Okay, this is what they're talking about that we're going to be going over. YouTube determines the algorithm by what people watch, don't watch, impressions versus plays. And this is what they're talking about here. Impressions and how they led to watch time. These are my impressions. This is my click rate. Okay. These are the views from the impressions. Okay, this is the average view time here. And you always want to try to get that up as best as you can. Watch time from impressions is 1.2. And it will always be like this, because your impressions is always a higher. But you want to try to get this built up. Okay, but here, if you look, it will show, like I said, all the traffic source, where it's coming from. Okay, the external, you can see my keywords came up in a lot of Google searches, and that's good. Okay, the Google here, and Facebook was only 5.7. So you want to make sure, that's how you can tell. When you look at your analytics, look at that section and it will tell you how well your videos are doing, because you want to come up not just in YouTube search, but in the Google search. That's how more people are going to find you and how you're going to grow. Okay, so let's go to the next one here. Okay. Now they also go by how quickly a video popularity snowballs or doesn't. Now, which is called the view velocity. Now I don't have anything on that, but TubeBuddy can help you a little bit with that. Also, I basically want you to know how the algorithm works, and that's what I'm trying to work on you with. Okay, like here, this is the Google search. The com.Google Google is right there. Facebook, another one, Twitter. It will show you where you're best coming from. Okay? Which is what you want, is for it to show that. These are the traffic source for the suggested